This is the coolest thing I've ever done since today. It changes the light on my board.
It's red, white, and blue. Bomb pop.
What's in the front now?
Oh, nice.
So we just finished installing the Oak City Electrolytes, and they were super easy to install, and it's gonna make my board look amazing. Go over to the back right there, go to hit that back spot. Check this out, bro. Check.
What color you got?
Should be rainbow.
Oh yeah, it is. It's going left to right.
All right. We could play Pong.
So you can play what?
I don't know. I'm trying to see stuff. I'm testing. That's the Knight Rider.
Oh wow.
That's sick. All right. Unicorn breath. Oh, so it changes between like. Dude, that's awesome. Pong.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It matches the Unit 1 helmet. The like different things you can do.
All right, you want to mess with the front a little bit? The color options are.
The back is more colored.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the back has the cooler stuff.
So the color options are unlimited, basically, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like, it says right here.
Oh, let's go bomb pop real quick. Hold on.
Bomb pop?
We gotta go bomb pop. 4th of July, we gotta go bomb pop.
Oh wow. Oh, that's the ticket, bro.
Dude.
4th of July.
Rasta.
I like the bomb pop. What is that?
It's Rasta. It's like a color, I guess. That's Popo.
Popo?
That's the sound of the police. Yeah. I guess you change it to blue. Wait, hold on. Let's change it to blue. That's the sound of the police. Look at that.
Bring it back a little bit, dude, so I can see it off the glare off of this.
It's the cops, bro. It's the cops. Watch. Look for it to turn. I changed the second color to blue, and it's now the police, the Popo. Look at that. That's sick.
All right, do some front stuff.
Oh, that.
What?
Look at that.
What is it?
2 colors chasing.
Oh, I love that. Let me see. Wait, I can see it. Oh, I like that.
Well, let's just put it on regular, back to regular.
No, just mess with the front a little bit.
Alright guys, so you changed the front too. We got red right there.
Are you recording this screen? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Okay.
Red. We got orange. That's it. Gold. Gold and yellow. We got yellow. Lime green. So if you got green board. Pink. Oh, that's pretty sweet too. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on teal. Let's see if I can change the fronts. Dude, the cotton candy look, bro. Oh my goodness.
That's pretty tight.
That's fire.
That's tight.
Is it 3 colors? Can I change 3 colors? I can't. I got you right here. Hold on. You gotta close your eyes.
Close my eyes. What are you gonna do? LSU.
Hey, go Tigers, baby.
Is that like, what is the color scheme on that?
I changed it to gold and purple.
Oh wow. So you can pick your team colors?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Sprite. We got the Sprite colors. I'm gonna have so many different combos on this. This is gonna go crazy.
So what are you gonna ride with? Just curious. Just pick something right now.
I gotta.
Well, it's July 4th, right?
Yeah, so we gotta go.
You gonna go bomb pop?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that for now.
That's bomb pop?
That's bomb pop. That's bomb pop.
That's cool. And the front's gonna be teal?
Should I change it to slow or something? Like, look and see. Should I slow it down like that? Should I slow it down like that?
Yeah, like that.
There?
Like that. That's the one. That's it. That looks more like a bomb pop.
Or the fast one?
No, I like the slow. I like the slow.
Alright.
Yeah, the slow really makes it.
What should we do in front?
You can do, what can you do on the front?
You can just do like the solid colors. Oh, you can lock the direction. So I can put that in the front. Watch. This should work. Wait a second.
No, it did it.
Dude, it did it. Oh!
So you can do both sides?
I can leave the back red so it's like a brake light and change the front.
But the
You
back.
can switch this on. So this will be the front headlight. That's the back headlight. You can reverse them.
So you want it to be red, white, and blue in your way forward.
Yeah. I think it looks the best at the back because they still have the headlights in the front right here. You see they still have headlights.
Oh, yeah.
So you can see. I think it looks better in the back. But I think I want to be riding it full.
You can do it either way. You can do it whatever you want.
You can see it.
Seals in the back. Let me come around the front. Don't hit the wall.
Where's the color? I don't see the color.
Yeah, it's red, white, and blue.
I can't see it.
It's red, white, and blue off the
It
concrete.
doesn't shine off here.
It will at night.
All right, guys. So thank you to Oak City Electrolytes for sending us this product. It's super easy to set up. All you got to do is when you get this box, scan the QR code right here. It'll give you a full video on how to install it. And go check them out, oakcity.com, oakcityelectrolytes.com. You can use code Borillasnaps for 10% off your order. And yeah, they're super sick. Right now, you can put it on any colors you want, like rainbow, red, white, and blue, like any color. But we're using the red, white, and blue because it's 4th of July right now. So I got me a little bomb pop to match my bomb pop lights. So make sure you go check them out.
And that's the blue lights, not the bomb
Oak
pop.
City Electrolytes.
There it is, bomb pop. That's the bomb pop.
That should be blue right here, teal.
Teal right now.
Teal right now. You
Yeah.
can change the front headlights to pretty much any color you want. Like there's a lot of colors, lime green, green, yellow, gold, blue, red, purple, pink, teal. There's a lot of different colors you can go and change. So yeah, I like the back. You change the back to like whatever colors you want. Like the bomb pop right here, you can change them to bomb pop. And then you can reverse it to make it go in the front. Like you can like flip the sides of it. Cause you can't put patterns on your front lights, but you can flip the front and the back. So it has the lights on. So that makes it awesome. Thank you again to Oak City Electrolytes for sending me this product, and yeah, go check them out.
And we're gonna get us a night rod in.
Yeah, we're gonna be making some night rides.